What's up, guys? My name is Zackery and I just wanted to make a quick video testimonial for Jose and his team. This is the first video testimonial I've ever done, but this is the first one for a good reason. I wanted to thank Jose for helping me out along the way and actually providing good content within the course, because at first I was a little lenient on jumping in because I thought this guy was just another guru. You know what I mean? He didn't know what he was talking about. But actually, whenever you jump into the course, the monetization module, the growth module, he really goes into detail about everything. More importantly, the part that I was interested in, and I know a lot of you might be interested in, would be the agency part of the module. So whenever I hopped into that, I really looked at the information that Jose really put out there for you guys and for everyone. And I actually closed my first two $1,300 a month clients, and I have 3 more on a trial. 3 more. And that's thanks to Jose and his team. But I just wanted to make a quick shout out for him. I really didn't think I could do it. You know, I live in a small town in Pennsylvania. Just didn't think it was possible. And my goal right now is to scale it to like 10K per month by the time I'm 18. And I know that may be an unrealistic goal, but for me, you gotta look first. You gotta look somewhere. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. I wanted to give a shout out to Jose and his team, and I wanted to thank him for everything he did. Okay, that's it. See you guys.